going on, guys? And welcome back to this training. In this particular training, I'm going to show you different ways you can monetize System.io. So if you don't have any product or you have something to sell or anything, I just want to do a recap. Okay, so I want you to pay close attention in this particular training so that you will see many ways you can use to monetize your System.io. You might say something like, I don't need System.io because I don't have anything to sell. Don't worry, just make sure that you watch this video to the end and then take the necessary action in all these things that you're going to learn from this training. So right now I'm going to share my screen and show you many ways to monetize System.io. All right, so there are many ways to monetize System.io. Like I said, these are the ways you can actually use to earn at least $10,000 or $20,000 or $50,000 or even $100,000 per month with System.io. So all you have to do is just choose one and be very, very good at whatever thing you are doing. So the first thing is selling online courses. This is exactly what System.io is designed. This is exactly what they do best. All right, selling online courses. So if you want to sell online courses, you don't need any other platform other than System.io. All right, there are so many other online course hosting platform like Kajabi, System.io, Kochi. There are hundreds of them, but the one that I've seen like very, very easy, very affordable, and have everything you need is System.io, right? System.io is so good, and I highly recommend it. Like always, So selling online courses is another way to make good amount of money online. You might create just anything, but the only thing I will recommend you to do is if you are selling an online course, make sure that you know what you are talking about. All right, make sure that you have something of value to offer to people. Anything can be an online course. If you feel like you had a great marriage or you are having a very great marriage, there are so many women out there and there are so many men out there who are struggling in their marriage. If you can create a course that will teach them how to have a happy home in their married life, awesome. If you know how to do things, you can create a course and teach people how to do it. There are many ways to create courses, and you can create courses in anything. One of the most inspiring stories that I heard when I was starting out in my career was story of Russell Brunson, talking about when everything shut down, he don't have money, her wife is paying all the bills, and the only way he could use to make money was selling online course. He don't have an idea of online course, but he only see one idea, which is teaching people how to make a potato gun online. Just imagine just something like that, teaching people how to make a potato gun. And that's exactly the product that changed his life before he built ClickFunnels and the other things. So that's a proof that you can sell anything online. I have a friend who makes $60,000 per month teaching men how to attract women. You can sell anything online. There are so many people who have a course that helps people quit masturbation and so many things, right? They have a doctor friend who teaches people how to enhance their sexual health. I mean, you can sell course on anything. Another way to monetize System.io is by selling ebooks. All right, ebooks is another way. Ebooks is another way to monetize a System.io. You can just write a very good book, but just putting only ebook will not make you all that profitable. I like being honest to people. I like being honest to people. Selling just an ebook won't make you profitable. Instead, use ebook as the front end and then use some courses and coaching as the back end, which I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this training. All right, the next thing you're going to do is selling services. All right, you can sell service with System.io. Let's assume that you are a web developer, a web designer, funnel builder, or whatever thing you do, advertiser, anything, copywriter, you can actually use System.io to sell your service. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that because I have done it myself. I have a funnel building company that I was promoting with System.io. So yeah, anything that I'm teaching you in this training is from my own experience and results, not just by study. All right. So another way you can use to monetize your System.io account is through selling, coaching, and consulting services. It's fall under service, but this one is kind of like digital service or stuff like that. So yeah, coaching and consulting. Most people mistakes coaching and course. The difference between coaching and a course is something like course is all online, all online. It's all automated. Someone pays and then they go all in and then just access the member area and start watching the training just the way you're watching this one. And then coaching is something that they will have some support. It might not be online, it might be offline, it might not be in a member area, it might be a Zoom one-on-one consultation, one-on-one coaching on Zoom or stuff like that. And also it's more of premium price. So that's different. So you can use System.io to market or sell your coaching or consulting service. All right. Another way to monetize your System.io account is through affiliate marketing. This is my favorite one. Anytime that I mention the word affiliate marketing, I feel so excited because this is the skills that changed my life. I went from broke and homeless to where I am today because of affiliate marketing. Anything that I'll ever teach in this life, it all begins with affiliate marketing. And some people mistake affiliate marketing by selling PRL products or promoting courses or doing all those things. Yes, these are affiliate marketing, but I'm here to tell you that 99% of gurus out there teaching people affiliate marketing are doing it wrong. They are trying to tell you, buy this course and start promoting this course and all those kind of things, stuff like that. But that is not affiliate marketing. That is MLM. It's a pyramid scheme. All right. So affiliate marketing is a skills. Okay. Affiliate marketing is a skills. And if you master affiliate marketing skills, all you need is just a product and you will start making money. So what I teach, I have affiliate marketing training, but what I teach in my training is not how to sell my product. What I teach is how to master the affiliate marketing skills, because that's exactly what changed my life. What helped me start making money online wasn't because of my products, but it is the skills, all right, to sell the product. The only thing you need to understand about affiliate marketing is just that you don't have a product of your own. You sell other people's products. But as an affiliate marketer, you can sell anything. You can promote any product and make money. You don't need to promote my product to make money. You don't need to promote the other person's product to make money. You can promote any product at all and use it to make money. So there you can monetize System.io through affiliate marketing. If you don't have a service, you don't have a course, if you don't have an ebook, if you don't have a coaching or consulting service to sell, you can monetize your System.io with affiliate marketing and actually earn $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 per month with your affiliate marketing business. And in this training, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So these are the way anyone can use to make money with System.io. Either you sell courses or ebooks, or you sell your service through System.io, or coaching service, or affiliate marketing. So there are other ways, but these are the ones that I know, the most common one are these ones. If I found another way, I'll still share it with you. So yeah, that is it for now. See you in the next training.